Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the sight and controls so aiming becomes predictable. Load the appropriate optic for your vehicle and confirm the zoom you'll use. Lower zoom for close combat, higher for long range. Bind hold breath and sight toggle to keys you can reach without looking down. Once done, check reticle type and sight zeroing so your first shots aren't surprises. This saves time in combat and lets you build a reliable aiming routine before moving to target tracking. Now you learn to aim dynamically. Estimate range with the scope or map and judge speed by watching the target's movement. Use the sight's lead pips or place custom markers on the reticle to compensate for projectile travel. Faster targets need larger leads. Also account for vertical drop by aiming above distant targets when needed. Fire in short, controlled bursts and observe where rounds land. Then correct immediately so your follow-up shots converge on the target quickly and efficiently. Finish engagements by stabilizing and confirming hits. Reduce vehicle sway, pause movement if possible, and time your shot between recoil cycles. If you consistently miss at a specific range, tweak your sight zeroing or shift your reticle mark accordingly. Small adjustments matter. Should the sight behave oddly, wrong reticle, lag, or missing overlays, toggle the optic, unequip and re-equip the sight, or relog. These quick fixes usually clear visual bugs, so you can return to accurate aiming immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.